started. So this is a routine called zoom in, zoom out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you an image for 3 seconds. And then after, you're gonna try to remember as much as you can about that image and record it in your document that you just copied. And again, if you can't do the side-by-side of the slides and your document, just write it on paper. Is everybody ready? Okay, so just everybody get ready to look at the image for 5 seconds. Is everybody ready? Okay. Okay, so now go to the recall section of your document and write down all the things you remember seeing. Okay, moving on. So now you're going to zoom in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you a section of that image. And while you're looking at that section, you're going to list all the details that you see in this section. And you're going to write it in the zoom in one portion of your paper, of your document. Okay, so I'm going to have my timer ready. And you have 1 minute to observe and write everything, all the details you see. Okay, so now we're gonna do another zoom, but it's gonna be a different portion of the image. And same thing, you're gonna list all the details you see when you're looking at this image. All right, and you'll have another minute to do that. Go. Okay, so now, if you can now guess, what do you think this image is about in the live chat? Remember, it's a guess. You are going to make a statement about the whole image in the live chat. So you can say, at first I thought, and then that first guess, right? And then, but now because, right? I'll just write that in the chat as something to remember because I'm